Attention aspiring content creators. Are you passionate about making videos and sharing your unique ideas? If you've ever wondered how to turn your YouTube channel into a profitable source of income, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the secrets of earning money on YouTube. We'll cover everything from monetization strategies to building a loyal audience. Get ready to take your channel to new heights and transform your passion into profit. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and unlock the secrets to earning money on YouTube. One of the most popular methods is to join the YouTube Partner Program to start earning money on YouTube. This program allows creators to monetize their videos and generate revenue through various channels. You must meet certain eligibility criteria to get started, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. However, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views within the last 90 days for YouTube Shorts. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the program through your YouTube channel settings. Once approved, you can enable monetization on your videos by linking your channel to an AdSense account. This will enable advertisements to be displayed on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. Getting featured on YouTube Premium can be a game changer for content creators and artists. YouTube Premium offers many benefits, including enhanced exposure, increased revenue potential, and access to a global audience. Being featured on this platform means your content will be available to millions of subscribers who have chosen to enjoy an ad-free viewing experience. This exclusivity boosts your visibility and credibility and increases your subscribers, views, and engagement. Also, YouTube Premium offers additional monetization opportunities through the YouTube Premium Revenue Share program, where creators can earn a portion of the subscription fees paid by premium subscribers. This can provide a stable and recurring source of income, allowing creators to focus on producing high-quality content. With YouTube Premium, creators have the opportunity to reach new heights and establish themselves as leading voices in their respective fields, making it an enticing prospect for anyone looking to expand their reach and grow their online presence. Offering channel memberships is a powerful way for content creators to engage with their audience and provide additional value. By introducing channel memberships, creators can establish a closer relationship with their most loyal fans and offer exclusive perks and benefits. These memberships often come with various tiers, allowing fans to choose the level of engagement and support that suits them best. Members may gain access to exclusive content, early releases, behind-the-scenes footage, personalized shoutouts, or even direct interaction with the creator through live chats or Q&A sessions. Channel memberships foster a sense of community among fans and provide creators with a sustainable source of income, enabling them to continue producing high-quality content and further enhancing the overall viewing experience for everyone involved. One effective way to earn money on YouTube is by selling products or merchandise. Once you have built a dedicated and engaged audience on your channel, you can leverage their support by offering them products related to your niche or brand. This could include physical merchandise, such as clothing and accessories, or branded merchandise like shirts or hats. Also, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content. Understanding your audience's interests and preferences is important to develop products that appeal to them. Promote your merchandise in your videos, include links in the description, and encourage your viewers to purchase them. Collaborating with influencers or YouTubers in a similar niche can also help expand your reach and increase sales. Remember to provide high-quality products and excellent customer service to maintain a positive reputation and ensure repeat business. Also, keep in mind that you need to meet certain eligibility requirements. For example, one way to be eligible for selling products on your YouTube channel is to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. Ultimately, selling products or merchandise on YouTube can be a lucrative way to monetize your channel and build a sustainable income stream. Becoming an affiliate partner is one effective way to earn money on YouTube. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your channel and earning a commission for each sale through your unique affiliate link. To start, you can join affiliate programs offered by companies or platforms that align with your content niche. Research and choose products that resonate with your audience and create engaging content around them. Incorporate affiliate links into your video descriptions or even within the video itself. It is important to be transparent with your viewers about your affiliate partnerships. By consistently delivering valuable content and recommending products that genuinely benefit your audience, you can increase the likelihood of generating sales and earning commissions, which will help you monetize your YouTube channel successfully. One effective way to earn money on YouTube is by monetizing live streams through Super Chat. Super Chat allows viewers to make voluntary monetary contributions during a live stream, helping content creators generate income in real time. To enable Super Chat, creators must meet certain eligibility requirements, such as having a monetized channel and being located in a country where Super Chat is available. Once enabled, viewers can choose to make a Super Chat donation by clicking on the $ icon in the live chat. The donation amount determines the visibility and duration of the message in the chat, allowing viewers to have their messages highlighted and acknowledged by the creator. As a content creator, engaging with viewers who make Super Chat donations by expressing gratitude, responding to their messages, fostering a sense of community, and encouraging further support is essential. Using the Super Chat feature, creators can monetize their live streams and enhance their revenue streams on YouTube. If you want to earn money on YouTube, one effective strategy is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms such as Patreon and Kickstarter offer opportunities for content creators to connect with their audience and receive financial support. You can create exclusive perks and rewards for your supporters, such as early access to videos, personalized shoutouts, or behind-the-scenes content. By engaging with your audience and offering unique incentives, you can encourage them to contribute to your channel financially. This provides you with a steady stream of income, but also establishes a deeper connection with your fans, fostering a sense of community around your content. Consider incorporating crowdfunding into your YouTube strategy to monetize your channel and continue creating content that resonates with your audience. To become a YouTube influencer and earn money on the platform, there are several key steps to follow. First, choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. This could be anything from beauty and fashion to gaming or cooking. Next, create high-quality and engaging content consistently. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and editing software to ensure your videos stand out. Optimize your videos with relevant keywords and eye-catching thumbnails to increase visibility. Promote your channel through social media and collaborate with other YouTubers to expand your reach. As your channel grows, monetize your content by joining the YouTube Partner Program and enabling ads on your videos. Another way to earn money on YouTube is by licensing your content to the media. This approach involves granting permission to news outlets, television networks, or online platforms to use your videos for their purposes, such as news segments or feature articles. To make this happen, you can contact media organizations directly or join content licensing platforms that connect creators with media buyers. Depending on the agreement, you can receive royalties or upfront payments by licensing your content. This strategy provides a steady income stream and increases the exposure and reach of your videos, ultimately attracting more viewers and potential subscribers to your YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us to explore the exciting world of earning money on YouTube. We've covered many strategies, tips, and techniques to help you turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. Remember, success on YouTube requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey to earning money on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more valuable content. Until next time, happy creating